Hey guys, today I'm just going to be doing up this sick skateboard. It already looks really good. I really like the design on the back. Then I did some sick tricks. And after I was done being cool, I just wiped down the board. I chose these wheels, they're looking pretty good, but I couldn't find any other black ones, so this is all I got. Then I just popped the bearings in. And my Ooga Booga brain couldn't calculate why it wasn't fitting in. And it turns out there was actually a bit of bearing in there. Then I just got a pliers and just kind of flinged it out. Then I got the axles out of the oven. Here, I'm just gonna put on the axles, but wait. What if I'm the axles? Ah! After the acid trip, I just got up and went back to doing the skateboard. Here are all the parts I'm using for the skateboard. Then I just put the axles on. Now I just need some nuts for these wheels, which I gladly borrowed from the skateboard. What? Nice. So now I just attached all the nuts onto these wheels. And it's done. And I hope you enjoyed the video. It's pretty short, but I hope it suffices. I'll see you next time.